Welcome back, Hot Wheel collectors and diecast enthusiasts, to another episode of Curb's Garage. As promised, I've got my Crack and Yack Free the Piece, whatever you want to call it, video, opening up some of those items I picked up at the swap meet last weekend, and not everything, but a lot of it. So let's try to get this in before the game starts on this Super Bowl Sunday. And of course, you can watch it at your leisure. We're gonna open up and start with this Camaro that from Hot Wheels. It's the '67 off-road, part of the premium car culture series. This one was the one that kind of bothered me with the putting those big off-road tires on it. And I mean, it's not horrible, but in the kind of black front end, but nice black interior. I think it would have been. It's got a sunroof, I guess, of sorts. Looks like a black plastic base, maybe. Oh, it says metal on metal, so I guess it is a metal. So there's some stuff aside, 'cause I'm gonna have a stack of cars, loose cars. So that's that one. Next up, this is that 1954 Chevy panel. It's a special edition, limited edition. This is the Custom Seattle Toy Show. This one I don't think I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna hold that for a gift for somebody. So I don't think I'm gonna open that one yet. I thought I was going to. This is the M2 1949 Mercury Customs with the Holly logos on it. I guess I like that. Talked about that, how I like the kind of the old Daytona when they raced on the beach stock car era. And have to unscrew this one and pull it off. We don't want to take up too much time. And here's that Monopoly. I want to say it's a 55, possibly a 57 Chevy. With reverse. Comes with its own game token. Well, you're not very level, are you? I need to get a level spot for this thing. Maybe a new base. And it comes with the little Monopoly game piece. Metal on metal. Plastic tires. I don't even know what collection I would put that in. I got the Johnny Lightning 1969 Chevy Camaro SS. Pretty nice. These Johnny Lightnings, I mean, they are really pretty nice. They have, for the most part, pretty much everything you need. They're metal on metal, pretty realistic looking. Rubber tires. Sometimes they have opening pieces. This one, it looks like the hood opens, but I can't quite get it to go. It's a nice green, white interior. The dash is black. And, yeah, I can't seem to get the hood open. I don't want to break it. Next up, we'll get the, from Hot Wheels, from the movie Tommy Boy, which, believe it or not, I've never seen. It looks funny. I know it's, this is a 67 Plymouth Belvedere GTX. Pretty nice. But yeah, no, I think it's a Dave, I can't remember the actors' names that are in it, but two really funny comedians. Have to give that a watch. Anyhow, back to the car. It's a nice convertible, nylon top, black interior, really nice rims, rubber tires. I mean, these wheels will probably, they look great on here, but I'm sure they're probably getting stolen from something else. Nice deep dish wheels. Just nice metal on metal. So that's pretty nice. Then here's that Racing Champions 1960 Plymouth Police Car. This has a chrome plastic base. And like I said before, it's funny, you can see the cage in between the driver and the back seat where the bad folks go. But yeah, the vintage 60s police cars I really like. So yeah, pretty neat. Looks like it has rubber tires on it. You can tell when it doesn't make a tapping sound that they're rubber. Up next, from Auto World, 1967 Ford Mustang. Like this color. This has a, do we have an opening hood? Oh yeah, we do. Barely opens, but got cracked a little bit. This is one of 55. Oh, this is a 67, not a 64. So this is kind of the same year that the Eleanor was made, but this was just a stock Mustang, not the Shelby version. So looks like it's got, actually, looks like it's got black interior. So nice metal on metal, rubber wheels. All right, time to bust out the scissors for these ones. Always fun. This is the Racing Champions. Nice little, beautiful, actually. That's a 57 T-Bird. Pretty classy. Comes with a neat little display. Somehow kind of came apart, but Not important, but some nice engine detail on there. This also has, looks like it has a chrome, looks like it's metal, rubber wheels. Next up, green lights from the Barrett Jackson. We've got the 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442. This one's got that nice custard yellow I was talking about. Sold for $61,600. It's got some really nice two-tone interior, tan and caramel. There's the nice opening hood. There's the card. So that is very nice detail on that. We should show that a little bit more while I'm opening up another one. Next up is another green light from the Black Bandit collection. Number 1 of 4,250. This is the 1970 Pontiac GTO. Another, like how that's how the hood should work, up nice and kind of snappy like that. Here's that murdered out 70 GTO. Beauty. And while we're looking at that, we can take a look at this limited edition Johnny Lightning 1963 Studebaker. There's the base there. Rubber tires again. Here's a Studebaker with the kind of reversed opening hood. There's a nice vehicle. Let's see if we can get that hood to sit correctly instead of loose. This was part of the 60s sizzle from Johnny Lightning. Came with a little kind of a Matchbox box, which I don't think I'm going to keep. Nice red interior. This has, so you can hear the difference, the plastic wheels. Actually, let's keep that on while I open up another one. This is another Johnny Lightning from the Street Freaks. This just says 1970 Rebel Machine. Kind of looks like a Charger, but let's see. Oh, this is I guess what you would call a white lightning. The white wheels, white interior. Nice blown engine. It's a pretty neat color. Let's say it's metallic, kind of a metallic brown. Can't see what that says. On the front, the machine, I guess. Yeah, pretty neat. Up next, we got from Muscle Cars USA, class of 71, 1971 Plymouth Cuda convertible. Any opening? Good. Does have rubber wheels on it. It's pretty heavy. All metal on metal. And next up, a 1973 Pontiac GTO from the Johnny Lightning Gold series. This is, take a look at that. There we go. Another nice two-tone, kind of a caramel, and actually the roof looks like it's kind of a light yellow, almost cream color, but it's actually the real color is kind of more of a tan, like a light tan, but with this lighting it kind of comes off a little bit more, see, it's more of a tan color matching the interior. Pretty tough looking car. And then I have I'll go ahead and open this last one here. Is this Mazda RX-7 from Matchbox, which I told you guys earlier that I was able to take one of these on a nice little country road drive up through the mountains and back, and it was super fun. I think, like I said, that was probably the only real type of sports car I've ever driven. Mostly I've always driven, or my personal cars were Mazda pickups, to be honest. I do have a Volkswagen Tiguan now. I did have a Volkswagen Bus and a Volkswagen Bug and things like that. But for the most part, that's it. So that is it for the video for today. Enjoy the game, guys. And thanks for all your support. And talk to you soon. Happy hunting.